online version of Pride and Prejudice with Keira Knightley. So we'll get a lot of people come from a hell of a long way. We have just had a lady from Perth, Western Australia, just come to have a look at this, believe it or not. So yeah, so it took about a year to carve it. It's made of either 4 or 5 pieces of marble, all stuck together. It was actually the artist Raphael Monti's first attempt at a veiled statue. First attempt at ain't too shabby, is it? Or should I say first commission? I hate to think how many prototypes he went through. Okay. But, so originally it was down at Devonshire House. I don't know if you know Piccadilly in London. It's roughly where M&S is now. M&S Food is. It is. And Green Park Tube Station. Then it moved to Compton Place in Eastbourne, and it's been up here since about 1999. In recent years it was also in the Dome Room, which is upstairs. And when Keira Knightley saw it, it was in the sculpture gallery, which is the last room you'll go in.
And what's that on? Is it food in the plate?
No, it's not an ice cream or pork pie. It's actually a flame. So in Roman times, her job would have been to keep the fire going in.
Oh, right.
Okay. So she was a Vestal Virgin. Yeah. So that's where we get the phrase "life begins at 40" from, because she was put out to pasture at the age of 40, and then she could have a bit of fun.
Oh, right. Thank you.